Hi there and welcome back. Let's review Marfan's syndrome today. We'll get into the overview, statistics, signs, causes, diagnosis, treatment, and how do we underwrite. Okay? Marfan syndrome is a genetic disorder that affects the body's connective tissue. Connective tissue holds all the body's cells, organs, and tissue together. It also plays an important role in helping the body grow and develop properly. The severity of Marfan syndrome varies from one individual to another, and it typically progresses over time. A tall, slender build is characteristic of Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome affects the skeleton, eyes, heart, and blood vessels, nervous system, skin, and respiratory system. Marfan syndrome can cause dislocation of the lenses of the eye and detachment of the retina, resulting in vision loss in patients with the condition. Abnormal aortic dilation or aortic aneurysm can be a serious manifestation of Marfan syndrome. MVP or mitral valve prolapse is common in patients with Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome does not affect intelligence. So what do we know about the Marfan syndrome? About 1 in 5,000 people have Marfan syndrome, including men and women of all races and ethnic groups. About 3 out of 4 people with Marfan syndrome inherit it, meaning they get the genetic mutation from a parent who has it. But some people with Marfan syndrome are the first in their family to have it. When this happens, it is called a spontaneous mutation. There is a 50% chance that a person with Marfan syndrome will pass along the genetic mutation each time they have a child. What are the symptoms or the signs? Every person's experience with Marfan syndrome is slightly different. No one has every feature and people have different combinations of features. Some features of Marfan syndrome are easier to see than others. These include long arms, legs and fingers, tall and thin body type, curved spine, chest sinks in or sticks out, flexible joints, flat feet, crowded teeth, stretch marks on the skin that are not related to weight gain or loss. Other signs are harder to detect and include heart problems, especially those related to the aorta, the large blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart to the rest of the body. And other signs can include sudden lung collapse and eye problems, including severe nearsightedness, dislocated lens, detached retina, early glaucoma, and early cataracts. Special tests are often needed to detect these features. What are the causes? A mutation or change in the gene that controls how the body makes fibrillin causes Marfan syndrome. Fibrillin is a protein that plays a major role in your body's connective tissue. Most people who have Marfan syndrome inherit it from their parents. How do we diagnose? There is no specific lab test such as a blood test or a skin biopsy to diagnose Marfan syndrome. The doctor and or geneticist or a doctor with special knowledge about inherited diseases relies on observation and a complete medical history and examination. How do we treat? There is no cure for Marfan syndrome. However, a range of treatment options are designed to minimize and prevent complications. In general, you can expect some things you need to think about every day, such as medications and limitations on physical activity. Then there are routine doctor appointments which may be yearly or more frequent, as well as other evaluations to make sure that your symptoms are not worsening. Sometimes when symptoms progress, your doctor will recommend surgery. In some cases, you will have the time to plan for an operation. In other cases, immediate surgery may be needed. How do we underwrite? As far as underwriting goes, follow your company specifics and the underwriting manual that your company expects you to follow and take that route. Let's take a break here and see you soon. Take care. Bye now.